Well, hello and welcome. Well, today I got up extra early because I wanted to go hike a new area in the Boca Negra area. And I drive up there, and the national park is not open until 8:30. It is now 7:17. So we're going to take a different route. I saw this trail from the road, and I don't know if you're supposed to even be here, but it looks like a ravine or a road. We're going to check it out, see if we can get to the top there and see if we can find some views. We're going to salvage the day. We are. Let's go. I saw a big old jackrabbit when I pulled up, but he's probably long gone, but maybe we can catch up with him. I don't see any signs that say stay out yet. Looks a little sketchy through here, but someone has definitely driven back here. It's pretty nice back here, though. There's a quick look behind us, right into the sun, but pretty nice view. Someone lost their shoe. Oh, it looks like a seriously steep hill here. But now I'm so curious, what the heck is back here? Steep and rocky. But I know where we are now. This is part of Unser that goes west a little bit here. Then it curves around and goes north. Ooh, we're going to see some good views up here. Oh man, definitely worth the hike. Now I always see that view driving that way, but I've never gotten out and checked it out because I didn't think there was any way to pull over. Well, continuing to the top here. Whew, this is really steep. Oh my gosh. Slippery rocks. Danger. Will Robinson. No. Ooh, that shows my age. Oh gosh. It's getting steeper and steeper. Ooh. We made it to the top. Ooh, my ankles are burning. Oh, I always hurt on the steep hills. This is not really a trail, but people have made it one, and I can see why. You can see all around from up here. People are probably going, what is he doing up there? That's not a trail up there. But I do love what they've done with the median down here. Made it look like lava flowing with this shiny red rocks. Looks like lava flowing through volcanoes. Very, very cool. Have I said cool yet? Well, this is the end of the Makeshift trail. Unless you want to go in that tunnel. Nah. I wish there was a sidewalk going down here. That would be pretty awesome, but I guess they don't want people out on a busy street. Now I'm walking off that trail because this caught my eye over here. It's like a runoff, all with a bunch of volcanic rocks. Wow, check that out. Little canyon area all the way down to I believe it's a bike and a footpath. Into the sun a little bit, which doesn't make the best video, but it is that time of morning, and hopefully you can see that view. You can see all the way down into downtown there. Awesome. Should I walk out to the cliff here? Woo! Rocks are slippery, don't do it. Okay. Oh my gosh. Woo, that is straight down. About, I don't know, 12, 13 feet. Okay, we're coming up to the ridge here. Then it's straight down, as far as I'm concerned. I'm a little worried going down. A lot of times it's a lot harder going down only because the slippery rocks. So I'm gonna have to just take my time. Whew, slippery. Oh. Little blood. Just a little bit of blood on the arm there. Otherwise, I don't think I hit my head. Where am I? Me? Oh, there's no one there. No, I'm just kidding. I'm fine. Hey, bunny. Bunny buddy. Oh. My heart's beating a mile a minute. I gotta rest here for a minute. Still downhill, but no more rocks. Okay, back on solid ground. You know, sometimes I bite off more than I can chew. And those steep rocky hills, they'll get you every time. Well, not every time. Okay. Grab some water, clean up the wound, and moving on. Oh my goodness. Hurts a little bit, but oops, spilled water all over my car. That's all right. Here's another view from all the way up the top, and up around the corner you can see a little bit of those cliffs that goes down into that Unser Boulevard. And I was hoping to get a good shot down into the little canyon here, but I don't know how to get past this wire fencing here. Is it electric? No, it's not. I really want to get in there. Let's see. Let's just see if I can crawl under. Oh, without snagging anything. Made it. Hell, unfortunately, again, we're shooting into the sun, but get an idea here. Wow, you have to walk quite a ways, but I think we're gonna see it pretty good here. Oh, yes. Oh, we made it. Look at these black rocks. Beautiful. And there's that canyon we were looking at through the other side there. And right down there is the state park entrance, the one that we couldn't get into. Little guardhouse. This is awesome possum sauceum. What? I don't know where that came from. But it's too bad you have to sneak under fences and go up unmarked trails to get these views. Oh, as they say, God closes one door, opens another. Or is that a window? I don't know. It's a closed gate. Then we went around and found some other great views and some fun hiking on unmarked trails, falling down. I'm just glad I'm not hurt real bad. My elbow hurts a little bit, but it should be okay. But man, turned out to be a beautiful morning. Unfortunately, I have to go get some other chores done. Not that this is a chore. This is absolutely fun hanging out with you. Thank you so much for coming along. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Please hit that like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I'm hitting those goals with your help. It's just a real honor to show my city and all the different things to see around my city and my state. And we're going to do a road trip here real quick, God willing, and show you some more of New Mexico. Go home and take care of myself, take a shower for about an hour. But that'll do it. Take care of yourself and those around you. Bye for now.